Welcome to another installment of Coach Yahweh's Tweets Expounded. I'm Robert Yahweh, your financial literacy coach. Today's tweet is on values, and it's more the definition of what exactly are values. It says values are what you practice when nobody, not even yourself, are paying attention. I believe it's similar to another one which says when a tree falls in the forest and there's no one to hear it, does it make a sound? Well, it is supposed to be that it does make a sound, because it does not make the sound because of your presence. It will make the sound whether you're there or not. So the same way is when we say you have values, the question is it something that you always have to think about before you do? Or is it something that you just find yourself doing? It's supposed to become subconscious. It's almost like we said with one of the previous tweets, which is habit. What is habit? Habit is that thing that you do not have to think about to do. It is instinctive. It becomes part of you. You have totally inculcated it to become one with you. The same applies with your values. If you have values, then it means that it is something that you do not for others, but because it is what needs to be done. So this morning, for example, I remember noticing that many of us do not stop at zebra crossings, yet there's an entire crowd standing next. So the next time you're driving past a zebra crossing and there's somebody standing on the edge, a pedestrian who needs to get across, it must happen almost instinctively that you realize that you need to give that person priority to get across. But most of us do not, which is why, as a society, many nations are having a problem with values. Where you're talking of institutionalized corruption, how does that happen? It's because we do things only when we're being seen, and we continue to do other things in the dark. The same applies with when you're working towards financial independence. It's not about doing things only when others can see what you're doing, but it's doing things towards that goal without having to make a mental effort to do it. When you watch how you spend, it's supposed to be something that is instinctive. So turn becoming financially literate, financially independent, into a value that you would like to inculcate, after which success will definitely be yours. Thank you very much for watching another installment of Coach Yahweh's Tweets Expounded. I'm Robert Yahweh, your financial literacy coach.